Introducing the Spedal Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto Screen, Motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto Experience. The Spedal display seamlessly integrates CarPlay for motorcycles, enhancing your ride with easy access to navigation, music, and calls. Weather-resistant design. The upgraded waterproof touchscreen responds flawlessly in the rain, making it ideal for any weather condition you might encounter on your motorcycle. User-friendly installation. This is designed for easy installation and built to last with a durable aluminum alloy mount, offering superior stability compared to ordinary plastic materials. To get more details, click the link in the description.